Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to practically demonstrate one of the Selenium WebDriver commands, that is get location command. So what is the purpose of this get location command? Let me explain. For example, there is a web application like this, omea.blogspot.com. On this web application page, there are several UI elements. The UI element can be a image, a button, a text box field, text area field. It can be anything, radio buttons, checkbox options and all. For example, I want to find the x and y coordinates of a text area field. Okay, any UI element. It can be any, this field or this one, anything. Okay. Let's say I want to find the x and y coordinates of this text area field. Okay, this text area field that is highlighted now here. Okay. So what are the x and y coordinates? Let me show you. So x and y coordinates will look like this. So starting from the left side of the screen, okay, end of the left side of the screen till the text area field. This is going to be the x coordinate. Okay, this is going to be the x coordinate, guys. X coordinate. So it will have some size, guys. Okay, this is like position of x coordinate will give you the position of this text area field from the left side of the screen. From the left side of the screen, where exactly the text area field is available. And what about the y coordinate? Y coordinate will generally start from the top of the browser till the text area field. Okay, top of the browser to the till the text area field. This is the y coordinate. Y coordinate will give you the position of the text area field starting from the top of side of the screen. So every UI element on this page, for example, text area field has this x coordinate and this y coordinate. Now every UI element on this page will have its own x coordinate and y coordinate. For example, if we take this click to get alert button, which is there here, okay, it will have its own x coordinate, its own y coordinate. The x coordinate position of this text area field is different from the x coordinate position of the click to get alert. The y coordinate position of the text area field will be different from the y coordinate position of the click to get alert, like this guys. Now, using which Selenium WebDriver command, we can find this x and y coordinates in our Selenium automation code. There is a command known as get location command, okay, which is our current topic or session. Get location command will get you the x and y coordinate positions of the given UI element. For example, if I want to find the x and y coordinates of this text area field, then I have to write the code like this. Already there is some code written, guys, which will open the Chrome browser, which will maximize the browser, and it will open the application URL in the browser. And at the end of the script, it will close the browser also. In between, I have to write the code for getting the x and y coordinates of this text area field using this get location command. Let's write it. For that, we have to say driver.find element. Okay, which UI element for which you have to get the location or position. Okay, so for text area field. So inspect this text area field for which you want to find the x and y coordinates. The HTML of this text area field got highlighted here. It has some ID attribute, guys. I'll copy the value of this ID and then I'll go here and here I will say by.id. Okay, here I'll provide the ID of this text area field. Now, after finding this text area field for which you want to find the location, you have to say get location. Okay, this will return you. This get location command will return you the x and y coordinates of this particular UI element. Over the mouse on the get location, you see what is it is returning? It is returning the point class of Selenium. So it's returning the point class. So I'll say here point is equal to or p is equal to, you can give anything here over the mouse on point and say create local variable. So it will add the return type of this get location, that is a point class of Selenium. Now copy this point class and write down some print statement, system.out.println, paste the point object, okay, point dot, you see, using this point which has this get location coordinates, if you say point dot x, it will give you the x coordinate value or position of that text area field. Now if I say system.out.println, again point dot, another thing is y coordinate position. Okay, it will give you the y coordinate position of this text area field. Now let's improvise this print statement so that we can understand in the output. Like this, I'll put some double quotes and plus symbol. And inside the double quotes, I will write down the x coordinate position of text area field is, okay, like this. The y coordinate position, the y coordinate position of text area field is point dot y, like this. Now run this code, right click, run as Java application. See, the Chrome browser will launch, maximize, open the application, and thereafter it will get the X and Y positions and print them in the output console, and finally close the browser. So you see, now you see in the output, once the browser is closed, you can see the output of the Eclipse where the X coordinate position of that text area field is 292. Okay, this is 292. From here to here, from you see from Y means from here to here, guys. Okay, I was scrolling so that Y was less earlier, but if you don't scroll, you can see that this is X position and this is Y position. X is how much? X is 292, whereas Y is 500 and 570. So guys, this is how we have to use get location command of Selenium WebDriver in our Selenium automation scripts. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.